Welcome to ATDC 1-minute video tips. These video series is composed of different tips on service procedures, machine operation as well as maintenance procedures that will surely help you in handling your Komatsu machines. Disclaimer: this video serves as an additional guide and should not be used in replacement of the Komatsu's shop manuals and operator and maintenance manuals, or OMM. For the complete procedures, please always refer to the Komatsu manuals, as mentioned. How to check and adjust the track tension. Applicable models: middle-sized hydraulic excavators. Check and adjust track tension. Run the engine at low idle. Move the machine slowly forward by an amount equal to the length of track on ground. And slowly stop the machine. Place straight bar which reaches from idler to carry a roller on the track. Measure the maximum deflection between the bottom surface of the bar and top surface of the track shoes. If the track tension is loose, pump in grease through grease fitting by using a grease pump. To check if the tension is correct, run the engine at low idle. Move the machine slowly forward by an amount equal to the length of track on ground. Then stop the machine. Measure again the maximum deflection. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more video updates.